Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to print case plastic lunchbox. And this stuff that we're gonna use in our process. So let me briefly introduce this stuff. Our printing machine A03 lunchbox equipped with a aluminum sheet, printing paper, Teflon sheet, tape and glove. Alright? Before we start printing, let me adjust the time and the temperature. And temperature, it should be 180 Celsius degrees, and you can press these two buttons to adjust it. And then time is 45 seconds. Okay, and right now is automatic pattern. If you want to change it to manual pattern, switch it. Okay, and the pressure, we suggest you medium pressure. That is okay. Next, I gotta rip off the film on the aluminum sheet. Aluminum sheet is where we print on. Okay. Then lay the printing paper above our lower platinum and put our aluminum sheet on it. Use some high heat resistant tapes. Okay, and fully cover with Teflon sheet. Close it. Okay guys, time's up. Before we touch it, we must wear gloves for protecting ourselves. Let's check out the printing result. See? When it cools down, I'm gonna stick it on our lunchbox. But first, just let me rip off the film. Okay. Stick it on the box. Perfect.